tragedy occurred at Kanjuruhan Stadium in Malang, Indonesia on October 1st, 2022. 127 people passed away, while 180 others are currently receiving medical care. This is one of the biggest football tragedy in the world. The situation was chaotic. The crowd poured into the pitch as soon as Arema Football Club from Persebaya Surabaya was deemed the winner of the game. The chaotic instantly broke out, resulting in intensive damage to the Videotron, stadium railings, and some chairs. Additionally, the enraged Arema Football Club supporters were upset about their team's loss also targeted the police car. 2 police cars were being set fire and rolling over the Century Tire area in some of the films that are going round. A police patrol car that was stationed outside Kanjuruhan Stadium can also be seen smashed in the video. In actuality, Persebaya's teams that fled Kanjuruhan Stadium was also thrown as a target of the fans. The security personnel fired tear gas and the guardrails bottom, which has caused the situation inside the stadium on a spiral of the control. There are many fans football have reported having trouble breathing and fanning. This smoke is suspected to be culprit. There are 34 people died in the stadium, according to the Inspector General of the Police Nico Afinta, the head of the East Java Regional Police. 127 people have died so far in total. 2 police officers was among 127 fatalities in the event, while 34 of 125 victims perished at the stadium. 180 persons are now receiving home health care. This violence was initially started by the Arema Football Club's loss to Persebaya Surabaya. The supporters' discontent grew after the defeat, leading to pandemonium.